Hey friends, glad you tuned in. I'm at the nail place waiting for them to open. I brought my cuticle pusher with me because I forgot to push my cuticles back last night. My cuticles grow so close to my nail bed, and I hate when she makes a mistake or when she hits my cuticles. So I've started myself pushing my cuticles back. Now this is best done when your nails are wet or with some cuticle oil. I'm not going to put cuticle oil because she's getting ready to do my nails, and they don't like for your nails to be like oiled up when you come into them, for the acrylic and everything like that. So I'm just taking my time, pushing them back, making sure I get them all the way back, trying to get, I didn't bring any nippers. I need to keep some cuticle clippers in my car so that I can get any dead skin from around it, but she'll handle that with the drill. So I'm just going to sit here and push my cuticles back while I'm waiting for her. Yeah, because I get really upset when they hit, and everybody makes mistakes. But I just get upset. I don't know. It just does something to me. Nobody likes to be hit with the drill. Like, nobody likes to feel that drill hit your skin. Doesn't happen a lot, but my cuticles are very close to my nail bed. Like, right at my nail bed. Okay, so I am listening to some motivational speaking and some morning affirmations while I sit in the car and do this. I've already went and got my coffee. I did try the new Dumb King's coffee that was on the Super Bowl commercial. It's alright. It's sweet, and I like sweet. But it was good, and I posted it on Instagram for those of you who saw it. So it's nothing to run to Dunkin' Donuts to get, but I gotta try the new stuff. You know what I'm saying? The white chocolate bark something iced latte or iced coffee, I did not like. I don't know what it was, but I didn't like it. So let's get into these nails.
Okay, I'll call you. Em em đang mệt mệt mà em thấy bả là em tỉnh luôn, sáng em dậy không nổi đó. Tôi nói sáng nay tôi không có thắp là tôi ở nhà tôi ngủ rồi đó.
All right, I am back home. I am doing the design that I picked out to do with the blooming gel. So I'm going to show y'all bits and pieces of me doing the blooming gel. I'm doing the yellow. This is Madam Glam's yellow polish. I love it because it is super thick. It is not streaky. And a lot of times you can get through with just one coat of this to cover the entire nail. So I really like that. I don't like to get a yellow or a white that's really streaky and that you have to really keep going back over your nail with. So link, coupon codes, everything is down below. For Madam Glam polishes, they are worth every penny. I'm also using some Modelones polishes, some Born Pretty polishes. And I think the rhinestone glue is either by Madam Glam or Modelones as well. Mixture of stuff, but this yellow is Madam Glam. I'm going to put it under the lamp, and then I'm going to do the blooming gel and then my stripes. And I'm listening to a couple of few beats here while I wait for this lamp to dry. Usually I watch TikTok or I listen to YouTube while I'm doing it because you guys know like my anxiety be on 10 and I don't have the patience to sit and wait under the lamp. But if I channel my energy somewhere else, then it doesn't bother me as much. So now this is the blooming gel. And then I'm going to go right in with my glitter stripes before I dry the blooming gel so it can spread evenly. The glitter did not spread as well with the blooming gel, so I will say that. I kind of favorited all the nails except the glitter nails. I feel like the glitter did not bloom. It didn't really bloom, maybe because it was glitter. But you'll see in the end the way the rest of them bloomed with the blooming gel. The glitter did not do that. So I probably won't do it again with glitter, or I'll do it differently, or I'll just do the glitter without the blooming gel. I feel like the glitter nail on my thumb would have been a whole lot better without the blooming gel. But either way, I'm not going to drill all of this off, so let's keep going. And then I'm going to stick it under the lamp and cure it for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to put my jewels on and I will cure it for another 60 seconds. And I am loving the rhinestone LED lamp, honey. Yes, gifted to me by one of you beautiful subscribers, baby. And there it is right there. So like I said, you can see that it didn't bloom the way the other colors bloomed, but we're going to leave it. Hey guys, I am done with this set. And I will show y'all where I copied this from. Probably on Instagram or something, because I didn't bring the phone in here. But I copied this off of a young lady on Instagram. Of course, it's going to look a little bit different on me because my nails are a lot longer. Also, on the Instagram picture, let me go get it. On the Instagram picture, she went all the way down to there. So, hold on. Let me go get it, y'all. Hold on. Okay, I want to show y'all so y'all can tell me how I did. And if you want me to continue where I show you guys where I got the design from or whatever, let me know. But y'all gonna have to tell me how I did. Like I said, she went all the way down to the cuticle with the polish. You guys know I don't like to go all the way down to the cuticles with my polish. But other than that, and she didn't show the thumbs, so I don't know what her fifth color was. So I improvised on my fifth color. Okay, so this is the first hand. These nails are twisting and turning so much I can't even show y'all. Like, let me do like this so they can act right. All right, so on this one, I did go all the way down to the cuticle. I started out going all the way down to the cuticle and I did not care for it. I did a white with some gold stones and then the gold in between. On this one, I did the green. And then there's my little pearl heart there, like on the picture. On this one, I did the orange. And there is a teddy bear on there, if y'all can see him. He's sitting right there. This one is the pink. And I put a pink heart. And on the thumb, I love this blue, y'all. This blue was hitting. You hear me? Hitting. And just a little blue bling rhinestone bow on the thumb. This is my right hand. That's what it looks like. I'm feeling it. Like, I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Let me know, y'all. All right, so going into the left hand, on this one, I did orange, gold, and white. And there is the pearl heart on the top, like the picture. On this one is the green. And there is that clear teddy bear sitting up there. I wouldn't buy these clear bears again. I have a lot of them, so I have to use them. But I feel like they're very hard to see. You know, if you were to look at my nails, you can see him sitting up there. But they're very hard to see, these clear bears. I wish, well, I did get some colored bears, but I should have just got colored bears. You know what I mean? Here is the pink one with the pink heart. And then the blue with the blue bling bow. And this one I did yellow and gold. And there is some gold stones. Let me come back some on this one, on the thumb. Let me just do it this way. Yellow and gold stones on that one. And so this is my right hand. This pointer, this is Miss Sassy right here. She's just going to turn however she wants to turn. And then this pointer doesn't do that. But this one has always done that. And I feel like, I know one of my thumbs will start getting an attitude and turning how it wants to turn. So I'm going to call her Miss Sassy. So when the thumb starts turning, I can call the thumb Miss Attitude. But once you start growing your nails out, which is why my curve like never really stays curved. Because once you start growing your nails out, no matter how you start, if your nails are going to twist, turn, and curve, they're going to twist, turn, and curve. And it's not going to be nothing you can do about it at all. But these are my nails for the next couple of weeks until I get ready for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm getting better, I think, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do when I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw the picture and I was like, I'm going to do that or try to do that. So y'all have to let me know how I did. Let me turn the flash off so y'all can see, so y'all can really tell me how I did. Hold on. Okay. Because I know. All right. So this was the picture and she's got that case in the background that kind of throws it off. But anyways, this is the picture and she has the, hearts, and I didn't have a star, but the pearl hearts and everything. I did that heart and I did have a pearl heart. And I showed y'all a clip, but let me tell y'all something. I got to practice some more working with blooming gel, and she may have not used blooming gel for this and she may have, but blooming gel, I got to figure out whether I need to do it in spurts, because baby, when it says bloom, it blooms. Okay. So I don't know if I should. My nails are longer, so it takes me more time. I got to dip, swipe, dip, swipe, dip, swipe. So I don't know if I should have did half the nail and then cured it and then did the other half. Because by the time I put these lines down here, by the time I got up here, it was already blooming. So if I'm making sense, if y'all have any suggestions on that, should I do half the nail and then do the other half of the nail? I want it to bloom, but I feel like hers did not spread as much as mine. Now, number one, my nails are long and curved, so I'm going to get more of a spread. So I also feel like next time I need to use less polish, and bloom in sections. I feel like if I use a little bit less polish, because it's going to bloom and it's going to spread. And while I do absolutely love it, I don't know how to get it exactly how they are getting it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love the way the blue bloomed out, but it bloomed out a lot. This one didn't bloom out as much, probably because it was a glitter polish. But the rest of them, they bloomed out like a lot. This one did really good. So I got to practice more. I love the blooming gel. I'm going to reach out to my nail people for some more blooming gels. Most of this was Madam Glam. The blooming gel, I think, was Modelone's. And then the glitter, some was Madam Glam. And then I think the white polish was Born Pretty. But everybody that I used or use or support as far as polishes is going to be linked down below. I love it. As you notice, I took the dip out. If you remember my Valentine's Day nails, I had a dip in the tip. I love the C curve. It's called a C curve in the tip. Love it on everybody else, but I was not feeling it on me. Maybe because of the way she C curved it or whatever the case was. So I told her to take me back to square. So she took me back to square. So I am back to square. Although I love a stiletto nail and I love a C-curve nail, it just was not working for me. I see C-curve nails on a lot of people and I loved it, but I wasn't feeling it on me. Not only that, with the Glam Baby, Baby Royalty, I felt like while I had her with the C-curve, I was trying to, because she made my C-curves so pointy. She made my nails look like fangs. And I felt like I was trying not to poke Royalty. And normally, I don't have to worry about that. With the kids, with the babies, I don't have to worry about poking them or scratching them or nothing. Contrary to what you may believe, these nails are not sharp. So I don't have to worry about poking them and stuff. But I felt like when she did my C-curve, she made them like snake fangs, like vampire daggers. And so I told her to just make them square. Because me and you not here. We not here. Okay? Okay. All right, so these are the girls' comments, everything down below. Any design y'all want me to try, message me on Instagram, send me a picture. Don't be sending me no crazy stuff that y'all know I can't do now, okay? But I'm always looking for designs. I'm always looking for ideas. I got to get back into my stickers and my foils, which this time I was going to do a whole bunch of stickers or a whole bunch of foils until I found that design and I changed my mind. So, yeah. Anything simple y'all want me to try. St. Patrick's Day is coming up. I have already ordered my St. Patrick's Day charms and stickers from Shein, from Amazon, from Temu. We about to be in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment below. Let me know how I did. And I'll see you guys in the next one.